Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. In today's session, we'll dive into one of the most critical components of ISO 31030, risk assessment. Effective risk assessment is the foundation of travel risk management, ensuring that your travelers are prepared and protected against potential threats. What is risk assessment in ISO 31030? Risk assessment is a systematic process to identify, evaluate, and prioritize potential risks that may arise during travel. It involves analyzing both external and internal factors that could impact the safety, security, and well-being of travelers. Key steps in risk assessment. Identify risk. Begin by identifying risk associated with destination, political stability, crime rates, natural disasters, and health hazards. Travel mode, risks linked to air, railroad, or sea travel. Traveler profile, specific risk related to individual travelers, such as age, health, or gender. Activities, risks tied to planned activities, such as high-risk environments or large gatherings. Evaluate risks. Analyze the likelihood and impact of these risks. Use risk matrix to classify risks as low, moderate, high, or critical. Consider time sensitivity, as risks can change rapidly due to local or global events. Mitigate risks. Develop strategies to manage or reduce the identified risks. Implement preventive measures, such as vaccination for health risks or secure transport option. Establish emergency protocols to handle situations like accidents or political unrest. Ensure travel insurance is comprehensive and up-to-date. Monitor and review risks. Risk assessment isn't a one-time activity. Continuously monitor real-time updates from reliable sources like government advisories or local news. Update the risk profile as situations evolve. Tools and resources for risk assessment. ISO 31030 encourages the use of tools to ensure thorough and accurate risk assessments. Risk registers to document and track identified risks. Destination intelligence reports, offering detailed insights into the safety and security of specific locations. Technology platforms, apps and software for live risk updates and traveler tracking. Why is risk assessment important? Prepares travelers, ensures they understand the risks and how to mitigate them. Reduces liability, protects the organization from legal and financial risks, maintains business continuity, minimizes disruptions to operations, enhances employee confidence, builds trust that the organization prioritizes safety. To summarize, risk assessment is a cornerstone of ISO 31030 and a key to ensuring safe and secure travel. By systematically identifying and managing risks, organizations can protect their travelers and maintain operational excellence. Thank you for joining and watching us today, and remember, preparation is the key to safety. So always stay prepared. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you. See you in the next video.